Hey there, parents! Are your kids struggling with staying inside the lines while coloring? Or maybe they get bored too quickly? Well, today I'm here to help with some easy coloring tips for kids. Welcome to the Fruits and Veggies edition. Coloring, while simple, develops fine motor skills and sparks creativity in your child. Yet, it can become frustrating if their masterpiece doesn't turn out as they imagined. First, let's tackle the common issue of coloring outside the lines. A great way to help your child is to use thicker outlines. You can easily find coloring pages with bold lines or trace over the lines with a black marker. This creates a clear boundary and makes it easier for them to stay inside the lines. Next, let's talk about color choices. Kids often find it hard to decide which colors to use. To make this fun and educational, create a color chart using actual fruits and vegetables. For example, use a real apple to show different shades of red. This not only helps them pick colors, but also teaches them about the natural colors of fruits and veggies. Now, onto a common frustration: losing interest quickly. To keep your child engaged, turn coloring into a game. You can set a timer and see how much they can color in a minute. Or you can challenge them to find and color all the fruits first, then the veggies. Adding a playful element can make a big difference. Another tip is to color with them. Kids love spending time with their parents, and doing this activity together can be a great bonding experience. Plus, you can guide them and give them positive feedback, which boosts their confidence. To wrap it up, remember that coloring should be fun and stress-free. By using these simple tips, thicker outlines, a color chart, games, and coloring together, you can make coloring a delightful and educational experience for your child. Thanks for watching, and happy coloring! Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and fun activities.